Hello, body fangs, and welcome to Dick and Dan. Can you see Marcus over here? It's my friend. Can you see? Yeah, he's like a half a century old today. So for Gears, we're going to eat one of these over here. Can you see? Look at it. Okay, right. Okay, Marky, take one. You got the chewer. Okay. Are you ready? Okay. What? Okay, you go first. No. Yeah, it's nice. Maar dit op bloody ijs ingegaan. Maar zeker haal je goed in die dak uit. Oh, kijk het er aan my oog. Thanks.